Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. Acer had a busy time this week, unveiling a slew of products at its global press conference in New York. Now, while there were many great devices, one of them stood out. This is our Predator Orion 5000 first look. If the name sounds familiar, then you're probably thinking about that gigantic Orion 9000 PC from IFA last year. It was a massive gaming desktop PC that took all my might to lift, and as you can tell by name, the Orion 5000 is a smaller model. But don't think for a second that it's any less powerful. It has Intel's latest Core i7 processor as well as Optane memory, which can make load times even faster. This being a high-end gaming PC, you can configure it up with two GTX 1080 Ti graphics cards that run at the same time. There's some serious power under the hood, more than enough to play the latest games in 4K. Of course, it needs a worthy case to house all this hardware. There's a transparent panel on the side to show off all the components, including Ice Tunnel 2.0 technology for smarter airflow in every section of the case. Here up front is Predator's signature blue lighting. If you still want to upgrade, you can easily do so by opening up the case and swapping out components. But with all the power this gaming machine comes with, we doubt you'd have to make changes to it anytime soon. As one would expect, you'd have to pay a lot for such a beast. Pricing and availability are as follows. And that was our Predator Orion 5000 first look. While we're really impressed with this device, we'll need to spend more time with it to see what it really can do. For more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow GadgetMatch on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.